Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. If you are seeking a scholarship and an admission in South Korea, today we have a fully funded scholarship for you in South Korea. You can study in South Korean universities on scholarships in the session 2022 and 2023. We will discuss how to study free in Korea, and this is one of the top destinations preferred by international students to pursue their careers or undergraduate, masters, and PhD courses on scholarships in the South Korean universities absolutely free here. We will also discuss about the universities, how to apply, how to fill the application part, and what are the steps. So, how to fill the details in the application. Before that, if you are watching our videos previously or have been watching our videos previously but have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel Full Scholarships. Press that subscribe button, and if you have already subscribed, we thank you for being here for us and watching our videos, and we hope that you have clicked or you have achieved any of the scholarships or you have just applied to any of the scholarships. If you found our video helpful, please press the thumbs up button. To get to this South Korea scholarship link, you can check the video description below. Link is given in the video description as usual. So link is in the top of the description. Click on that link and it will take you to this website here. Similarly, you can follow our Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships, and you can also ask us the link for scholarship there, or you can check the Instagram bio, it's mentioned there. You can also ask us any doubts regarding this scholarship. You can comment down below the video and we will answer that query. Please remember to subscribe before messaging us or commenting below the video. Now, once you click on the link in the video description, and you will be redirected to our website here. Now you can read South Korea is a good opportunity to consider in Asia as well, and it's the best scholarships opportunity for the low CGPA holders. And if your grades are low, you can just be the student to study as an international student and travel to South Korea for the master's, PhD, and bachelor's degrees. So there are almost 180 private universities to be presumed under these scholarships. So we have the basic details here, list of fully funded scholarships for session 2022 and 2023. So first, the basic detail that we have is the country is the South Korea. Degree level or course level that you can pursue under the scholarships are bachelor's, master's, and PhD. Similarly, the financial coverage is fully funded. And on our list, first is the Korean government funded scholarship 2022. Similarly, GIFT internship, GIFT undergraduate scholarship, Kyongpok National University, so KNU, it's also known as that. So South Korea scholarships, then KDI school scholarship, GIST scholarship, KAIST scholarship, UST scholarship, SNU scholarship, GIST undergraduate scholarship. So you can check we have 10 scholarships listed here, and the best and the easiest to fill and the highest acceptance rate that you will be getting is this Korean government funded scholarship for 2022 and 2023. Now, if you are done with the details, if you are ready to apply, you can click on this link, check scholarship here, this red button, this line here. Click on this button here, and once you click on that link, it will take you to the official study in Korea run by Korean government website. So here you can check all details, preparation for admission, every detail is mentioned here. Education fare, everything, online application, every detail is mentioned here. Online consultation is given there and guidelines, every detail is bit by bit mentioned on this Korean government scholarship website or this Korean study in Korean website. Now, once you land on this page, once you redirect to this page by clicking on our website here on this link where my cursor is scrolling, and so you'll be getting this page. Now once this page loads, scroll down a little bit and there you can see online application mentioned here. Click on this online application here, and once you click on this online application, you can check application for university appears in front of you. There is scholarship tab, online application, study Korea. Every detail is mentioned here, and careers, also jobs in Korea are available here. So once you click on this here on the online application, it will take, once you click on this online application, it will take you to this study in Korea website. And once you land on this page, you can check steps, and there are 5 steps to be completed. First is the selection of course, then select university and the major that you want to study, then fill an admission application, then upload the documents and the final verification. Now this I have previously made videos on this Korean scholarship, and we just showed the master's process. Today we will be showing the bachelor's process. If you want to pursue master, the process is absolutely same, just there is the variation in the uploading of documents and the details that you have to fill the bachelor's detail also. Today we will be filling the bachelor's application. Click on the bachelor's here so that you can easily choose the university list here, and you can check the bachelor's university, bachelor's course program, bachelor's scholarship will be under this. So I am choosing this favorite university, this UNIST so institution. So click on this UNIST institution and it should reload the page and will be taking to the second step. Here you can check select university and major study. Now we are on the first step is complete. We and now with the select university and major study. So we have to select the process, scroll down and click on this code online application on this button here at the end. And here you can check the important point, there is no application fee, it's free to apply. Now once you click on this, it will take you to the sign up page. If you are here previously, then you can do the same previous login id and sign in. If you are new, click on the sign up and just sign up using Gmail, anything detail that you want. It's an easy sign up. Sign up and then use the same details, user id and password, and it will take you to the login page. So let's wait for a few seconds. Here you can check we have successfully logged in. Now you can check the course that they are providing in my university. So I will be choosing the engineering part, so I'll select that, and my third step should appear in front of us. And so let's wait for a few seconds. So now I had to prepare the admission application and agree to the policies of the university and show the data. So consent, I am providing the consent, click OK, and I hope it should take us to the next step of the application part. So now we have completed the two steps, and so let's wait for the website to load. It might take few seconds. Here you can check the third part is on our list. Now fill an admission application. So I have choosing the UNST institution and choosing the field in engineering. My name is also here. So in the so you have to enter the name, first name, middle name, last name. So I don't have the middle name, so I can drop my name here and then paste it here, first name, middle name, and but last name. So then the gender and the date of birth. So let me choose the date of birth, and you should have the genuine date of birth to apply for this. And it's just the details that you have the on the passport and mention that details. So I'll be choosing the details, and so let me fill the details, and here is the detail that I have completed. Now the country, nationality, and country that you see. So overseas Korean. So I am not. Are you currently? No, I am not. Alien registration. So not. There is nothing. Click OK. So it's align and click on the OK, and it should take us to the next step. And so let's see what are the next steps. And here you can check in the application part. We have the next step is step 3, that's contact information. And on the admission prepare admission application, so that there is tick. And let's fill the address. So okay, then the phone number and the email, confirm email, and other information is not required, then click on the OK. So there will be a next step. So let's see what is next to fill. And I hope you are understanding this process. Please, if you are watching this video at this point, please do like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And now the fourth step is family information. So select the stats. If you don't have any of this, just choose the others and select the uh, detail of your siblings or from your family. So you can, so I'll be adding the details of my sibling. So from where they are, from which country they are, where they are residing, and you should enter that, and then the address, and then click on the OK. And parents information is mandatory to click OK. And you have to, okay, I have already submitted that. So let me see. So you can say others and then click OK. So it should take us to the next step. And I have filled the details here now. On the fifth part, there is academic history. Choose the academic history that you have, your country that you had studied previously. So I had studied at the same country, and I'm just showing you the demonstration. So click on the search school so that you can easily find your university or your college or your school where you have studied. So let me wait for a few seconds so that the page loads and I can find. So now, so I can see here you can check schools are mentioned here, so I am choosing this Golden Gate. So you can choose according to yours, whichever is yours. So then the period of studying, when did you study it there? So I studied from 15 to 19, and so I can say this and then 2. So I had studied till 21 and this, and then now you can select number of years that you had studied. It's not mandatory, but you can click on OK. So school type is required. So school type, where is the school type? So let me check that. Okay, it's the high school, and you can click OK. Now it should take us to the next step. So these details are also required to fill, but it's not mandatory to fill. Now there is no need to fill the IELTS TOEFL score. If you don't have them, then you can skip this. If you have, then please submit that. Other school, whichever English language test, whichever English test you have, then you have to fill that. Now I don't have any of these tests. I am skipping that now. Upload additional documents. First is the photo, then the requirement documents PDF only, and these supplementary documents. So all transcripts, degrees, whichever thing you have achieved in till date, high school records, high school certificates, high school marks card, make them a single PDF and upload here. Then the photograph and the supplementary documents, if you have like PDF only, supplement, just check the what are the supplement documents you should have and upload these supplement documents, required documents, and give photo. So all you it can be made. What these documents are, you have can check from the university. So I am applying to the UNST, so I will be checking that. I will be uploading this. So let me upload these documents and get back to you in a while. So here you can check I have uploaded the documents. Click on the OK, and it should reload and take us to the next step. So there is the final verification. If you have anything missing or if you want to change anything, just check that. Cross check every detail related to your passport, education, any information, spelling mistake even. Just cross check that. Then everything is complete. Click on save and application has been completed. Click on OK, and we are ready to check and submit. So now here you can check my application is here. So click on continue and we can submit this, and final, everything is complete. Now click on this submit. If you have to submit, information can't be modified. Do you want to submit? Say yes, click OK. So our application will be automatically submitted. So we had previously submitted another demo, and here you can check we have failed as we just did not completed all the courses. We had just filled the demo application to show you. Here you can check modify and cancel. You can cancel the application also, and you can check that we have successfully submitted the application and received online application. And you can check all details here. So you can check my scholarship application also. So scholarship application information, select government scholarship university. So you can click on this also and submit the other details, other scholarships, other related information that whichever you found feasible to fill in, just do that. And you can check other scholarship opportunities also. You should submit that whichever scholarship you are eligible to. So at the same time, if you are receiving the Korean government scholarship, so you should not be receiving your another government scholarship, but you can receive the third party scholarships. Any fundings that you will be receiving, you can apply to that, and every detail is mentioned here. So again, we have the same portal, so same process you can done. So this in the Korean version. I hope you understood the process. If it was easy for you to catch my words, and if our speed was slow as recommended by many students, that please speak slowly. And we hope we tried our best, and we will definitely try our best and help you in achieving any of the scholarships in this session 2022 and 2023. I hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will be signing off for full scholarships. Have a nice day ahead.